Hello, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I'll do a tutorial how to get 158 ringgit easily. So let's stay tuned. So as you can see here on the coin market cap, if you go under the exchanges, you will see plenty of platforms that you can trade at. Okay, so the number one, of course, is Binance and so on and so forth. As you can see, there are plenty of exchanges that are listed on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. So in today's episode, I will tell you guys how to get 158 ringgit easily from one of the exchanges, and it requires only a simple step. Okay, so let's get into this exchange platform. And in today's episode, this is xt.com. This is another exchange platform. It has a good ranking on CoinMarketCap, and this is actually xt.com. It has very similar functions. It has tradings whereby it has spot tradings, futures trading, derivative, margin tradings, buy crypto. They even have P2P. So it's very similar to all the top exchanges like Huobi, Global, MEXC, Global, and so on and so forth. And you can even see there is savings where you can put like fixed deposit. You just put your money in and you just get fixed interest every single day. Or you can even do staking, whereby you just stake whatever coin that you have, like Ethereum, like XT. Even you can get the XT, right, to join those like a XT starter, whereby you can join all these sort of events. Okay, not just that, of course, like I said, even fixed deposit here, you can see there are plenty of fixed deposit that you can subscribe, and depends on how many days you want to subscribe, and then just join and stake it and get the annual per year return estimated around here. So there are plenty of them. They are even flexible, they are even fixed savings. So it's a very good platform. Okay, so one thing good is I'll teach you guys how to get 158 ringgit. It's about more or less 30 over dollars, 30 over USDT for free. Okay, so of course this is just my way of doing it, because this airdrop is actually a collaboration with my channel and also the exchange platform. So if you register under my referral link, you can get this 158 ringgit easily. Okay, so very easy. In order for you to do that, you just need to go into my referral link. I'll put down the link below, the description below on my YouTube channel. You can just click on it, or you can actually type this code. For example, in order for you to get the 158 ringgit for free, you can click on the link at the description below by just clicking this button, or you can just copy paste this AQYYVFQSRA. Once you copy this, then you can go into the website, which is the xt.com website, and then just click on sign up button. Okay, so once you have clicked on the sign up button, you will need to input your email address, your password, the email verification code, whereby they will send you the verification code after you click this get code, and you paste this here. So once you paste this here, you will be qualified to join the event. This event you will guarantee get the 158 ringgit. Okay, you will guarantee to get it. So how do you get it? It's very simple. Okay, this one I will actually share to you, which is this. Okay, this is the super partner event. Join xt.com to win bonus through specific super partner. So I am actually a super partner. So if you join under me, then you were able to get these rewards. Okay, so the rules are very simple. The task one, get 5 XT token rewards by just registering through a specific super partner. Of course, once you registered, you need to complete the KYC. So for those who don't know what is KYC, you need to go into the identification and click verify now and put your IC or put your driving license there, whatever they need, and verify. So once you verify, you will automatically get the 5XT. Okay, so that is the first task. I think it's very easy. I just need to just take a selfie like this, and then I just get 5XT for free. Okay, so the second task is more easier. You just need to complete the first trade on xt.com and receive another 10XT. So for example, I just need to go into a market or go to a trading. I need to go to standard spot and then just look for a certain coin. For example, Cardano. I feel like Cardano is going up in value these few days. Okay, I'll do a Cardano video in future. But believe me, Cardano has a lot of value in future. So you can invest right now. For example, I just buy Cardano worth of maybe just 100 USDT or maybe 10 USDT or 20 USDT. I just buy it and I just sell it straight away. I've made a trade. This is just a first trade. So this is considered a first trade. So I will get another 10XT. So in total, I will get 15XT, which is the first task, 5XT, and the second task, 10XT. So equivalent to 15XT. So how much is 15XT? So if you have 15XT, you can see here, 1XT is about $2.56. So I'll bring up the calculator for you. So this is the calculator, and you can see if I put $2.56 and you get 15XT. So you will get about 38.4 USDT. So if you convert it to Malaysia ringgit, you multiply by 4.2, you will get about 161 ringgit. Well, it's about another 4 ringgit difference. Because just now I mentioned 158 ringgit, but this right now is giving about 161 ringgit. So it's very easy, straightforward. So I believe, right, if you want to get this 161 ringgit, better join now and get this bonus for free. Okay, so other than that, of course, xt.com, like I said, it has xt starter, it has staking, it has hash rate storing, earn with hash rate mining. You can even get mining here, which is very interesting, cloud mining. And you can see the swarm node hash rate and Filecoin cloud computing. If you want to do, if you are into crypto mining, cloud mining, you can even go here to do cloud mining. You can even look at the pool, ETH 2.0, and you can see the financial ranking. Okay, so they even have NFTs. It has a lot of things here, and you can play around with xt.com. And the most important part is the 161 ringgit for free. That I think that will be the biggest reason why Malaysian and us should just join in and get the money for free. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.